Hello, my name's Mike Middleton, and I'm here for English. Yes, to teach it. English so easy. Yeah, that's what I'm going to name this channel, I've decided. And today, this is an idiom. It's take your time. We can say, please take your time. It means to not hurry, don't rush, don't go fast, do something leisurely, take your time. And we have don't hurry or rush right here, or to not hurry or rush. I could say, please take your time. I'm not in a hurry. So I could be in a store waiting for them to prepare an order. Maybe I'm waiting for them to prepare some food for me to take. And I can say, please, I'm not in a rush. Take your time. Don't hurry. You could say, she takes her time. He takes his time. We all take our time when we want to do things right. Sometimes you can take your time to do things properly and to not rush and make sure it's done properly. Sometimes people are just moving slowly. Perhaps they just are lazy. That could be part of this. He really takes his time to get things done. You could say that. Maybe someone's washing dishes, and maybe they work in a restaurant, and you say, why are you taking your time to do the dishes? You need to go faster. Or he really takes his time to finish the dishes, or to clean up, or to do something. So just remember, to take your time means to not hurry or to rush. This could be a command. Take your time. I'm not in a hurry. It could be just a comment about someone like this. He takes his time. Or a request of someone. Could you please take your time with that? I want it to be done correctly. Like with hair. Do we want someone to rush with cutting our hair? Probably not. We want them to take their time and do things properly. So that's all that means, to take your time. Hopefully I've explained that well to you. Learn it, practice it, use it in some sentences like these. This is going to help you memorize this, write it down, and make up some of your own sentences and practice it. Remember to use it in the past tense. He took his time. Let's say that. Took. I thought I was about done. We're going to do this in the past tense. He will say he really took his time on the final exam. Maybe he has all the time he wants, so he really took his time to do it properly. He really took his time getting to my house today. He was supposed to be here at 11. He didn't arrive until 12. He really took his time and was late because of that. You could say that. All right, so take, took, takes. There you go. So I'll see you on the next video, and thanks for watching English So Easy with Mike Middleton.